Howdy campers, it's taste test time. SCE, the wonderful co-AB, our wonderful power company. Sorry, that bee's getting not respecting my personal space. Where were we? SoCal Edison. I freaking hate Southern California Edison. They've been replacing the lines and poles in our area, so more fires don't break out. They could have been doing it regularly over the years, but instead they were pocketing the profits and not upgrading equipment, and now they're forced to all at once. So about every 2, 3, 4 weeks they turn the power off, mostly at night, sometimes all day. Last night they turned the power off at 9 p.m. and closed our roads. We had to be home by 9 or we couldn't get home. And it was supposed to be on at 6 this morning. Right now it's closer to 11. Last I checked, and where we are, we don't really get a phone signal without the internet, and there's no internet because no power. So I have to sometimes hike up the hill to get a phone signal, but I did that earlier, and last I checked, they're predicting at noon the power might be on. They ran into problems. Anyway, such is life. I freaking hate SCE. Now that that's out of the way, I'm getting hungry, so it's time to eat. I have plenty of things that I could cook, or just I've got little packets of tuna stuff. No bread though, because I'm trying to kick the habit. Got soups, all kinds of stuff. But I had a mountain house sitting around that needed to be it. Actually, it's good till 2050, but sure, why not? I was in the mood. I was camping earlier this week and didn't need any camp food, so now I'm home and I'll eat some camp food. Mountain House Adventure Meals. Most of their stuff I like. I really like their biscuits and gravy for breakfast. They're high in calories, which if you're hiking is what you want. If you're dieting, you might want to split it with someone, so I may split this. This is chicken and dumplings with vegetables, freeze-dried, 2 servings. Chicken, vegetables, and fluffy dumpling bites in a creamy white gravy. This soul-satisfying Southern-style recipe can be made in a matter of minutes, wherever adventure takes you. Like I said, these are awesome things. You open the pouch, pour in boiling water, stir, close, let it sit. I've got an aluminum, or had actually made an aluminum koozie to hold to help the heat, help it heat faster, because sometimes the food doesn't get rehydrated well. So your little oven effect from a koozie helps, but by gosh, I had a package inside my koozie, and darn crows went on a camping trip, tore apart my koozie to get to the sealed package that was inside. Darn crows. Anyway, I learned that lesson. Uh, Even a sealed package inside of a sealed koozie. I have to make a new koozie. You take a window shade from a car windshield and cut it up and tape it to hold one of these. Uh, anyway, enough of that. Stir it, let it sit 5 minutes, open it up, stir it again, wait 5 more minutes. 10 to 15 minutes in between, so 20 to 30 minutes of sitting is even better for rehydration. And you're supposed to take out their oxygen absorber when you first open the package, and I just remembered I did not do that. So somewhere in this meal is oxygen absorber, and can you see? Can you see? I don't want to spill it out. It looks like veggies and dumplings. Look at the peas and carrots and corn. Or maybe that's not a carrot. Peas and corn and dumplings. This actually looks like it came from a store. Hope I don't bite into an oxygen absorber. The dumplings still need to hydrate some more. Oh, no, those were perfect. So one that I bit into needed to hydrate some more. The rest are perfect. Those two need to rehydrate some more. So that's my thing with the biscuits and the dumplings and some of their meals. The pasta. That's why I had made the koozie in the first. So those that are properly hydrated go away, bee. Are perfect, delicious. It's the ones that still need some hydration. Green peas, carrots, and onion. There was carrots and not corn. And there's chicken, and you can taste it. I mean, this is a really tasty meal. Get off of me. Sorry. Once upon a time, an avocado rancher nearby decided to use bees to pollinate his fields, which is an awesome thing, and most farmers have great success with such, with the bees, natural, whatever. However, whoever picked up the bees didn't take them all with them, so we now have a colony of bees somewhere. I don't know where they sleep at night, but they like to hang out when I'm cooking on the griddle, or the neighbor's cat sometimes leaves us gifts, and the bees love the gifts. Anyway, stupid bees, and I freaking hate Southern California Edison. That's today's big things. And this is good. I may let it sit some more. It's the first thing I've eaten since I had soup about 7 o'clock last night. So I should be devouring that, but since I've been on my diet, my appetite's not there. Anyway, that's it. Thumbs up, as long as it hydrates. This is extremely high in protein. I have to watch my protein, and it's even higher in sodium. Plenty of cholesterol, plenty of fat. Not bad on carbs. There's carbs, but if you're hiking, you want the fat and carbs and proteins. Fantastic hiking meals. Fattening, sitting around the house meals. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.